So this customer siding is actually starting to rot. It is, as you can see here, not an isolated problem. It is actually happening through all of the elevations of the home. Now we're mainly seeing this on the starter course, which isn't uncommon. They spend a lot of time here just because this is a daycare and they have a lot of children playing in the back. So they're seeing this all the time, which is a huge eyesore. We were able to come up with a better solution to keep the same style. They like that wood texture look. And essentially we were able to come up with LP siding. Now, one great thing about this product that we're offering is that it is actually a rot-free product, meaning you actually shouldn't ever have to worry about the product rotting, warping, or cracking. This is a super cool project. I cannot wait to get started. Our crew is actually about to start the project, and we'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so it looks like we just wrapped up here for our full siding replacement out here in Savage, Minnesota. Let's take a look. The thing I love about this property itself is the color choice that they chose. They wanted to be a little bit different, and they actually wanted this bump out to stand out a little bit more than what it used to. We were actually able to give them a really nice sleek look with the board and batten here, which is in snowscape white. Now, one of my favorite things about this project in specific is going to be this front gable here in the garage. They actually have a dual blend. It's a diamond coat chestnut color here in the inside trim. And to combine that with the other accent pieces, they actually have a custom number plate here right above that, centered into the actual garage itself. And to top it all off, cedar color corbels in the top gables here in the front. Beautiful project. I am super in love with this. I am extremely happy with how it turned out. Now let's go see what the homeowners think.
I'm Dustin Dahlberg, and we just had our siding replaced by Exteriors Plus.
I'm Penny. I run my business out of my home, and I could not be more proud to call this the environment that I get to work in every day. It was always professional, always, everything was done above and beyond my standard, and I feel like I have a ridiculously high standard.
If you hire a company like Exteriors Plus, then you won't be let down.
Right. I love, 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 love it. I can't say love enough because I think it's the most beautiful house on the block for sure.
So that's what we do here at Exteriors Plus. We essentially make sure our homeowners love their home again, make sure that they are completely satisfied for the rest of their lives here or time here. If you're interested in a possible project similar to this one, feel free to tap the link below, contact us, and we'll be happy to help you guys out.